Hello. If you have enrolled in any one of my Udemy courses through Udemy for Business program, this video is for you. It's not a technical video, it's a very short video to let you know that the last two courses that I published on Udemy, one of them being Master Power Apps Table Function, and the other one, which is the next level to the same concept, is titled How to Fix Power Apps Delegation Wording. They are not available under Udemy for Business yet. They are the highest rated courses at the moment on Udemy in this category, and they check all the boxes to join the Udemy for Business program. The only thing that is waiting for is your demand. So basically, you guys need to contact Udemy and ask them to add these two courses to your subscription. And after that, you'll be able to access to these courses for free under the same subscription that you have. I leave the rest to you. Please contact Udemy, and I'll see you there.